Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're getting an incoming call and need to cancel it now. If your iPhone is locked, press the side button twice to silence the ringtone. This prevents noise but doesn't end the call. Once done, unlock to see decline. Tap decline to reject. If unlocked, hit decline or swipe to answer and then tap end to stop. Make sure to use Do Not Disturb or airplane mode when you want all calls suppressed instantly. This avoids repeated interruptions. You're mid-call and need to terminate it cleanly. To finish, tap the red end button. That immediately drops the connection. If you must pause audio first, use mute or switch to speaker before ending. This helps you preserve context if you plan to call back. For multi-person calls, open the in-call interface and tap the blue info to manage or remove participants. Once separated, end each leg to fully cancel the conference. Make sure to confirm the call state returns to idle. To stop repeat or unwanted calls, block the number. Recents, tap the info icon, then block this caller. This prevents future incoming attempts. If a call won't end due to a software hang, force restart. Hold the side and volume button, then slide to power. Once rebooted, test. If problems persist, reset network settings. This clears configurations that can cause calling glitches. Be sure to back up Wi-Fi passwords. Troubleshooting tip. Enable airplane mode briefly to drop stuck VoIP IP or cellular sessions before rebooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.